If you're a beginner to makeup and you have no idea what you're doing, I'm gonna help you out. I got this very nice comment from someone that said they have no idea what they're doing when it comes to cream and powder for your face. A lot of people learn how to do their brows and eyeliner and lipstick so easily, but when it comes down to face products, it just becomes all too confusing. I'm gonna break it down super easy. First thing you wanna do is moisturize your face. If your face is dry, your makeup is gonna look dry and cakey. Next thing you wanna use is primer. So this is designed so that it keeps your makeup lasting longer, and you wanna pick a primer based on your skin type. I use a mattifying primer because I have oily skin. And we're gonna go in with foundation. This is what you use if you want to cover up acne scars, acne, redness. I'm gonna start with a little bit at a time. I like to pump some on the back of my hand and apply it with a brush. You want to do tapping motions, not dragging motions. You see how quickly it just improved my skin. Foundation, no foundation. Next would be concealer. My skin looks pretty good already. I still have some acne scars and pimples that I can cover with concealer. The difference with this is that it's more full coverage than foundation. I also use this on my dark under eyes. Blend that out with your fingers or a sponge. Last cream products, we're gonna do bronzer and blush. Bronzer is used to warm up your skin tone a bit, make you look a little bit sun-kissed. You can apply this to your cheekbones, temple, and forehead. This side has bronzer, this side has no bronzer. Cream blush does the same thing, gives you a little bit of color, makes you look really happy and cute. Add that to your cheeks, whatever's left on the brush, add to your forehead and a little on your nose. In part 2, I'm gonna show you how to powder and set everything.